Student, in this video, I am going to solve question number 16 and 18 from exercise 5.2 for class 10. The question is as follow. The look at here. The question is follow. Determine the AP. That means we have to find the AP series whose third term is given here. That is 16. It means A3 is equal to 16 is given, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So first I will take the first condition, that means A3 is 16. Now with the help of nth term we can write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is plus, let the first term be a, so it will be a plus n means 3 minus 1, that means a plus 2d, that is the third term, is equal to 16. This is the question number 1. This is the equation number 1, sorry. Now the second condition, that is seventh term, it means a7 is exceed means ज़्यादा, fifth term by 12, a7 is equal to a5 plus 12. Clear? It says the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12, यानी a7 term जो है वो fifth term से 12 ज़्यादा होगा. तो equation will be look like this. Now if I transpose a5 from right to left, then I will got a7 minus a5 is equal to 12. Clear? So that is I have written here using these things. Now as using the formula of nth term, that means a7 will be written as a plus 7 minus 1 into d, as we don't know the d. Again for the a5 we can write a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is equal to 5, and the value is 12 in the right side. Okay, now after calculation you got a plus 6d and here a plus 4d minus a plus 4d. So after calculating, that means this will be negative both, so plus a minus a will be cancelled out, and 6d minus 4d, that is 2d. In the right side, that is 12, so d is equal to, d will be 12 by 2, it means 6. So we got the value of d, that is 6. Now we have to find the value of a. From the equation 1, a plus 2d is equal to 16 here. So I have written here and put the value of d, that is 6. So we got a plus 12 is equal to 16. Transpose 12 from left to right, then it will be minus. So 16 minus 12, that is 4. So here we got a is equal to 4 and d is equal to 6. So the series will be look like a plus d, a plus 2d. Now look at here. A is the first term, so a is equal to 4. Now a plus d means 4 plus 6, that means 10. Now the third term, that is a plus 2d, it means 4 plus 2d, yani 2 into 6, yani 12 plus 4, that is 16. Similarly we got the fourth term, that is 22, a plus 3d. So we got the series, that is 4, 10, 16 and 12. Now we will solve the another question, that is question number 18. Listen carefully. The question is as follow. The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24 and sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first three term of the AP. That means you have to find one A1, A2, A3. So if we got the A value of A and D, then I can find the series or any terms. So first we will find A and D. So I take the first condition, that means fourth and 8. As with the formula of nth term, we know that n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a4 will be a plus 4 minus 1 into d. That means a4 will be a plus 3d. Now you can see that the a4, yani, and it means if n is equal to 4, then 4 minus 1, that means subtracting 4 from subtracting 1 from 4, that is 3d. Similarly, for the eighth term, a8, it will be a plus n minus 1 into d. It means 8 minus 1 into d, it means a plus 7d. Look at here. And the sixth term, that is a plus 5d, 1 decreases, Similarly, the 10th term will be a plus 9d. Using the formula a plus n minus 1 to d, you can find out this value. So I have written here the term, that is a4, a8, a6 and a10. Now the take the first condition, that is the sum of 4th and 8th term. That means a4 plus a8 is equal to 24. Look at here, this is given condition. Now I will put the value of a4 and a8. a4, that is, just look at here, the value of a4, that means this one, a plus 3d. So I have written here a plus 3d, and for a8, that is a plus 7d, I have written here, that is equal to 24. So a plus a, that means 2a, and 3d plus 7d, that is 10d is equal to 24. Now we reduce this equation like this. Now in this equation, take 2 as a common, then we got a plus 5d is equal to 24, and 2 will be divided by 24, then you got 12. So a plus 5d is equal to 12. Just I have written here, that is equation number 1. Now we will take the another condition, that is the sum of 6th and 10th term. Look at here, sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. It means a6 plus a10 is equal to, look at here, the second condition, that is mm, that is written here, a6 plus a10 is equal to 44. So a6 is equal to a plus 5d, and a10 is equal to a plus 9d, that is 44. A plus a, that is 2a, 5d plus 9d, that is 14d is equal to 44. So again similarly, take 2 as a common, then you got a plus 7d is equal to 44. 2 will be divided by 44, then you got 22. So a plus 7d is equal to 22, that is written here. So I got two values of, we got two equation, that is equation 1 and equation 2. Now we have to find the value of a and d. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, I will subtract 1 from 2, so it will be minus minus minus. Now a will be cancelled out, plus or minus a, and 7d minus 5d, that means you got 2d in the left side. In the right side, 22 minus 12, look at here. So 2d is equal to 10 and d is equal to 5. 10 by 2, that is 5. Now put this value in equation 1, then you will got the value of a. Look at here, the a plus 5d is equal to 12, that is equation 1. Now put the value of d, that means 5 into 5, so a plus 25 is equal to 12. Now transpose 25 from left to right, that it will be minus. So 25 minus 12, it will be look like this, 25, sorry, 12 minus 25, then it will be minus 13. Look at here. So till now here we got the value of a, that is minus 13, and d, that is 5. So we can make the series. That means the first term, that is a1, it will be minus 13. Now the second term, that means a plus d, that means a is equal to minus 13 plus 5, that is minus 8. Again a3, that is 8, a2 plus d, or we can say that a3 is equal to a plus 2d. We can use this formula also. So you can use anything, just put the value of a, that is minus 13 plus 2d, means 2 into 5, that means 10, then you will got minus 3. Okay, so you got a1, that is minus 3, a2 that is minus 8, and a3 that is minus 3. You can use either this thing or use the formula a plus 2d. So we got the three terms, that is minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. This is the answer. Thank you.